Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing and styling an old highlighted wig. This is my summer wig. So I'm just pressing out the hairline and where the part is, trying to get it as flat as possible. And I'm pretty much just prepping it for the curls that I am going to be doing in a few. So yeah, you just see me trying to get it as flat as possible, and I'm pretty much just taming it because once again, this is an old wig. So now that I'm done pressing out the hairline, I'm going to take the hair, split it into two different sections so that I can start the curling process. And you'll see me spraying some hairspray just so that I can keep the wave of the curl, because I don't want the curls to be neat. I want them to kind of be like beach wavy, messy. So you'll see me curling the hair. I'll start off curling regular, and then once I get towards the ends, I drag the curling iron all the way through the curl and make sure I drag it and make the ends straight. So you see me curling regular and then dragging the ends so they can be straight. Okay, so now that the curling is done, I'm just going to pop the wig on and just adjust it and make sure that it's not too far down on my forehead, and to make sure that the frontal part is covering all of the hair that is around my hairline. And to install it or tack it down, I'm just going to use some Got To Be spray. I'm just going to spray it along my hairline and use my blow dryer settings on cool, because this is my second time filming this video, and the first time I used the blow dryer settings on hot, which was a big mistake due to the fact that my house was really warm. I had to turn off all of the air because you could hear the air blowing while I was filming. So yeah, and then you're gonna see me just use a hair tie around the hairline to like melt it. And while I do that, I also use a blow dryer on cool settings as well, but I don't hold it there for too long, probably like 5 seconds the most, because don't plan on keeping this wig on for a long time. So now that I'm taking the wrap off, you can see she's pretty melted for the most part, and you just see me fingering through my curls. And to be honest, guys, I hated this style. I never wear this wig in the middle part, so I don't even know why I did to begin with. I guess I wanted to try something new, and it was an epic fail. So I ended up changing the style to something else at the end of the video, which you'll see in a little while. So you just see me combing out the hairspray, because I don't like that crunchy look. I like it to be more soft and natural looking, and I'm just pressing my hair out again to get it as flat as possible, which was pointless because, like I said before, I ended up changing it. So this was my final result. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.